So hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Decraft Vibe. So in this video I am showing you different handmade craft ideas that prove how powerful creativity can be. Every design you are watching right now start with simple material, but with effort and vision it becomes something beautiful. When we create something with our own hands, it carries a different feeling. It is not just a decoration, it is a reflection of patience, time and personal touch. Look carefully at each ideas, notice the balance, the shape, the detailing. Even a small improvement in finishing can change the entire appearance. Crafting is not about perfection, it is about improvement in every step. Many people think home decoration need expensive product, but these ideas show that beauty does not depend on price, it depends on creativity and presentation. As the design change, you can observe different style. Some look modern and clean, some feel warm and traditional, some are simple and minimal. All of them are unique in their own way. The beauty of handmade craft is flexibility. You can change the color, material or size and arrangement according to your space. You are not limited by any rule, you are the designer. When you work slowly and focus on neatness, the result always look better. Good alignment, smooth finishing and balanced decoration make a big difference. Crafting is also a powerful habit. It improves concentration and keep the mind active. It helps you think differently and solve small creativity challenges. Each ideas in this video can inspire you to try something new. Maybe you will add your own twist. Maybe you will combine two ideas and create something completely original. Your home reflect your personality. Handmade decor adds warmth and character. It's so effort, it's so care. Even if you are a beginner, do not hesitate. Start small, learning from every attempt. Every craft you make will teach you something new. Creativity grows when you patience regularly. The more you try, the more confident you become. If these ideas inspire you even a little, then this video has done its job. Support this creative journey by like this video and subscribe to Decraft Vibe. Share this video with someone who loves handmade decoration and creative inspiration. Thank you for part of this creative space. Keep exploring, keep creating and keep turning simple thing into something meaningful. See you in the next video.